The local entertainment industry is reeling after the Jamaican Broadcasting Commission earlier announced that it is banning content that it deems to be harmful to the public. In a Gleaner article, it stated that the Broadcasting Commission has imposed an immediate ban on the playing of music that, among other things, promotes or glorifies lottery scamming, the use of the illicit drug Mali, and illegal guns. In a statement today, the Commission says that the directive to radio stations reinforces its commitment to keeping airways free of harmful content, given the important traditional role the media still plays as an agent of socialization. The use of the public airways to broadcast songs that promote or glorify illegal activity could give the wrong impression that criminality is an accepted feature of Jamaican culture and society, the Broadcasting Commission stated. The article goes on to say that the Commission is also asserting that it could unwittingly lend support to moral disengagement and further normalize criminality among vulnerable and impressionable youth and the young adult demographic. Commenting on the directive, Executive Director of the Commission, Cardell Green, said it was the end product of a wide-ranging process that included focused monitoring, decoding of subculture, dialect, and urban slangs, deliberations on balancing free expression vis-a-vis protection from harm, and consultations with the industry. Major players in the industry, Romish Entertainment, they released a statement on their Instagram page as well. They said, while I understand why people feel like this, and even if I don't agree with glorifying guns or any use of any drug at all, we can't stop the creatives or artists from singing about what they see around them or grew around. Jamaica has one of the strictest regulations against music, our own dancehall music, and what is to be played. So not even edited music can't be played. Are you going to ban Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, and other platforms where the same people have the same access to the same songs? For example, there are strict regulations against anything sexual being played on local radio because children listen to radio. Is Jamaica the only country that has children? Because the same children listen to these same songs elsewhere. Oh, okay, if that's the case, since you want everything off radio, what if promoters stop spending money on radio? Because at this rate, no one will be listening to radio soon, because all that will be on radio is international music only, so promoters won't need to advertise there. Then what? That is what Romish Entertainment is saying. Now, this one is a controversial one, clearly. Romish Entertainment is pretty much contradicting himself, because is he saying that, okay, Jamaica is trying to stop the creative minds of the artists? So is he saying that the creativity of Jamaican artists is only limited to singing about drugs and illicit activities like illegal weapons and sexual content? So Romish Entertainment, clearly his responsibility is to act up and to cry out for his artists. But at the same time, no one can deny that there is a link between the music fraternity or the local music industry and the violent culture that is perpetrated across the nation. So where do we draw the line? But he is also making the point about these same songs being accessible on other platforms such as Apple Music. So clearly there's going to be a conflict of interest if international platforms are able to make money from these songs and the local platforms are not able to make money. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you with the Broadcasting Commission this time? Do you think it will help to change the culture, the violent culture that exists in Jamaica? Or is this much ado about nothing? Let me know in the comment section.